Welcome to another segment of Wild Animals. In this episode, we'll talk about Ornithorhynchus anatinus, also known as the platypus. Here in the Amazon forest, we will find the platypus. Come, let's find it. It's gotta be here somewhere. I know I've seen one. Sorry for the technical difficulties, but we actually found one. It's right there!
The platypus. Look at this magnificent creature. Not only is it a land mammal crawling and thriving, it's also an aquatic mammal swimming and hunting. It's a semi-aquatic beaver duck. As you may know, the platypus lays eggs. But what you may not know is that this creature lives only in Australia, specifically the eastern parts, ranging from Queensland all the way to Tasmania. That's a small part of the world to splash around and be isolated in. The platypus lives only in the freshwater areas of eastern Australia. The platypus cannot travel through large patches of land, and it makes it difficult for the platypus to migrate across Australia. This is why some populations are separated from one another.
Oh look, it's Dr. Doofenshmirtz! Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm your average Joe.
I'm the translator. This is Dr. Doofenshmirtz.
Hi, Dr. Doofenshmirtz. Good morning. Do you mind if I interview him about the platypus?
Doctor, the platypus there. He said he would be honored to be part of your show, but please keep it short.
Ah, merci.
You know good French.
Oui.
Gracias.
So, Dr. Doofenshmirtz, how do platypuses hunt?
Doctor, platypus hunting.
Platypus.
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 Pus.
So while debating about the
Platypus.
pronunciation of platypus, here's
Platypus.
a video of how they hunt.
Platypus.
Welcome to Nat Geo Wild, World's Deadliest Animals. So tonight, we'll be talking about the platypus. Meet Perry. Perry has a sixth sense that is hard to beat. Australia's platypus, just like Perry, has the tail of a beaver, webbed feet, and a bill like a duck. But this is no ordinary bill. It is a supersensory organ laden with thousands of cells responsive to the electric field generated by all living things. So, to hunt, Perry goes its eyes, its ears, and nose, and lets its bill do all the work. Look at Perry. Look at him go. Called electrolocation, it is thought the waving back and forth motion helps the platypus to indicate where exactly electric pulses are coming from. You think about it this way. The pulses are like neon signs advertising fast food, and when one looks promising, Perry digs away. All thanks to its bill.
Hey, Dr. Markowski.
Hey, John.
Dr. John Markowski here is a friend and colleague of Dr. Doofenshmirtz. He is also a platypus expert, right? Yes.
So, Dr. Markowski,
Yes.
what do platypus eat?
What? Definitely not this one.
Platypuses are carnivores.
They are predators, and their prey consists of small aquatic animals, such as the aquatic larvae of mayflies, caddisflies, and two-winged flies. Their diet also consists of freshwater shrimp, yabbies, crayfish, and annelid worms. They tend to eat more during the summer than they do during the winter, in order to build up reserves of fat.
So, the platypus is not an endangered species anymore. Back then, it was severely hunted for its fur and accidentally drowned by the fishing nets set up by fishermen. Now, the Australian government are setting up severe conservation measures to protect the platypus. So remember, kids, hopefully you can be part of saving the platypus or another animal. So, this ends the episode of Wild Animals. And remember, kids, platypus are more than just good agents. Platypus. Pathetic!